Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another video, and in this guide I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN app that helps you get a fast, stable, and more secure internet connection while browsing online. The app I'll be sharing today can help improve your connection and add extra protection. It is available on the Google Play Store. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Ocean VPN and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the app to begin the setup. If you're new to this channel, you're very welcome here. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any future content. When the app opens, you'll be taken to its interface where a few simple settings are required before connecting. First, tap on the Update button to refresh the app resources. This allows the app to update its configuration and provide better performance and security. After the update is complete, the next step is choosing a server. You can select any server you prefer, but I recommend using the Auto Server option. This allows the app to automatically connect you to the best available server based on your location. Next, choose a connection method. Here, you should select a country that supports Hysteria UDP. This protocol works well in supported regions and provides a stable and fast connection. If your country supports it, selecting this option will give you better results. Once everything is set, tap on the Connect button. The app will connect within a few seconds, and your internet connection will be secured. That's how you can set up this Ocean VPN app to get extra protection while browsing online. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.